World-class chefs are known for their quick but great food hacks that make their cooking superb. In today's video, I'll show you 5 cooking tricks learned from world-class chefs. This video is going to help make your cooking less stressful, so watch till the end to find out what we have for you. Before we get into details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications to get updates on new videos. Number 5. Ice will stop onion tears. The reason why you cry when cutting onions is that onions produce a chemical compound when sliced or diced. The chemical irritates the nerves around the eyes, making them tear. Well, run no more from onions because this hack is about to make cutting onions easier. To stop the chemicals from being released, soak onions in ice water for 10 minutes before cutting them. Another method is to freeze them for a while before cutting them. This will prevent them from causing you to cry. Number 4. Make small cuts on meat and fish. Making small cuts on your meat or fish will help them cook faster. This process is known as scoring. By making use of the scoring method, not only will meat or fish cook faster, but it will also allow easy penetration of seasonings when cooking. Scoring your meat or fish also works well with marination. The marinade will infuse more deeply into the meat or fish. For marination, leave meat or fish for a few hours or overnight for the full flavors to be infused. Number 3. Don't leave foods in the oven till they're ready. One of the best cooking hacks for having perfectly oven-cooked food is to rotate the food in the oven halfway through your cooking. Rotating food in the oven will not only ensure an evenly cooked meal, but also prevent food from burning. Number 2. The perfect fried egg. What I'm about to share will help you create those sunny side-up eggs that you love. Because eggs are one of the most common meals in any home, chefs have offered great hacks for cooking a perfect egg. To get your desired sunny side-up eggs, always make use of thickly coated pans with little oil on low heat for your eggs. Number 1. The knife technique. The knife technique was shared by chefs who want people to avoid some of the little accidents that happen in the kitchen, especially with knives. You must know how to hold and use a knife. Learning how to hold or use a knife will not only prevent you from cutting yourself while working, it'll help you work faster. Hold your knife by placing the thumb of your dominant hand beside the blade where it meets the handle. Curl your remaining fingers and use your middle finger's lower knuckles to guide the cutting. Roll the knife on the board as you cut and ensure that your wrist is relaxed. I hope these 5 cooking tricks from world-class chefs will help to ease your stress as you cook in your kitchen. If you have a suggestion or any other concerns about some of the cooking tricks listed in this video, please tell us in the comment section.